training program on data analyst. What exactly data analyst? Or who can become a data analyst? How to become a true successful certified data analyst to get into job in a safe zone. Started. Let's get details about all these common questions, including the detailed curriculum overview. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. Over 2 decades, I have been into database technologies, training and nurturing thousands of data analysts across the globe. In this short video, let's understand more about data analyst training program that I offer. Since my first job at Microsoft 2005, I have been dating with data. And let me tell you, the data analyst job roles are currently trending in the market. And companies are really striving a lot to find the correct data analyst, to find the certified talented data analyst. I can make you for sure the certified true successful data analyst with my practical approach. You wanted to be one of them? Come on, let's get started. What is data analytics? Data analytics is a process. It's a process of analyzing the data to provide meaningful insights for better decision making activities. Data analysts will be responsible to read any type of data, text, CSV, databases, cloud, ERP, website, social media, any type of data they can read. And what next? Once they read the data, they are going to filter, transform, extract, selectively get only required data in the way they wanted. Maybe joining two files, or comparing a database and a file, or it can be a union of multiple file content, or filtering unwanted data, or anything it can be. So reading data from various sources, doing all kinds of transformations, and finally beautifying it, reporting it with great amount of graceful dashboards for end user analytics in cloud. In simple words, data analyst is a professional who involved in data extraction, data transformations, sometimes consolidations, reporting, dashboarding, and adding color to your data for end user needs. A sample report on my screen that we are going to involve in the initial classes of our data analyst practical course that I teach you. Come on, friends, the time has come. We need to make sure we understand every concept carefully and implement every subject clearly step by step. With my training classes, I promise you, I assure you, I teach everything in a practical approach. Perhaps this is the only PPT I use for the entire course. This course is for you, for your resume, and for your next level job safety. As a data analyst, what components we need to learn? Yes, as a data analyst, to become a true data analyst, we need to involve in number one, SQL. I have 400 plus solid examples of various types, 400 unique types of examples for your data analyst skill set activities. Then comes Power BI. I have 300 plus work items. I repeat, 300 plus work items. Unique work items to get more grip on the subject for Power BI. And I'll also make sure you win the PL300 Microsoft Data Analyst certification with best possible score. Then comes module 3. I will be teaching you Python analytics. It's not programming. I repeat, it's not programming. It is a very, very cool step-by-step auto-scripted and semi-scripting Python that we are going to use in Power BI interface. Why? Why we need it? Yes, Power BI cannot do everything we need by itself. Sometimes we need external support from Python as well. I will be teaching you those dots practically with realistic examples. You will not find this content anywhere for sure except in my classes, trust me. You will see my love, my dedication, and my 20 years of experience and my LinkedIn professional exposure in my classes. I want you to be with me. I want you to stay safe and I want you to select me as your lovely trainer. And I'm sure we are going to get on with our journey together even after the course with my prompt response and support. That's more important, right? I know you need it. My team at SQL School, we are here to provide you the best possible services, best possible service and prompt response to any question, any kind of job support activity. Remember, after SQL, Power BI and Python, next comes advanced Excel. But why? Let me tell you friends, we need to enjoy the power of Excel in our classes. We need to learn how Excel can beautify the data with the help of Python and Power BI with the backdrop of SQL together. Yes, we are going to not just learn the functions in Excel, but we're also going to implement multiple Excel functions together on Power BI cloud data. We are going to have two real-time projects, one for banking domain, one for e-commerce domain. As a data analyst, our core responsibilities include the collection and cleaning of your data. It involves various end-to-end implementations with respect to data stack and the complete workflow implementation for the purpose of reporting. Come on, let's plan to invest more time to step into our practical classes. I need at least 1 to 1.5 hours a day from you for practicing the examples I provide you to make you job ready and also to prepare you for certification Microsoft Data Analyst Associate Certificate. That is our actual goal. Projects on one hand and certification on the other hand are our main objectives from this training. I am here to guide you step by step to meet both objectives with 100% accuracy. In our classes, I am going to teach you total of 5 modules. SQL with tuning, query tuning. Number 2, Power BI. Number 3, Python Analytics. Number 4, Excel. Number 5, 2 real-time projects. All these 5 modules together gives us the complete ultimate results. Zero compromise. But we need 3 months of time, dedication, and your support to get certified data analyst. The countdown starts now. Make sure we are into it. Yes, you are the data analyst. You are the next generation unique data analyst with ultimate skill set from my classes. I will make you for sure. All I need is your responsiveness in my live classes. Of course, you can go for self-paced videos, either live or self-paced videos. I will be providing you everyday assignments or concept-wise assignments. Need your support. Do your assignments on time. Practice all my in-class examples on time. Do your weekly case studies. Involve in our weekly mock interviews. Try to attempt the project work that we provide you. If you have time constraints, no problem. We are here to provide you the complete solution for the project. Now, what about resume? Yes, resume guidance, resume preparation are not enough. Nowadays, in this competitive world, we need to ensure our resumes are optimized. We need to make sure our resumes are standing bit away from the crowd at unique level in an optimized level. I am here to do it for you, trust me. I will make sure personally I involve in one-to-one meets, Google Meet, Teams, WhatsApp, or any other kind of maybe like WebEx or webinar environment for one-to-one meets exclusively on resume and resume optimization. Let's make sure we make this course unique, successful with your support. I know you are looking for something which is very useful, far away from YouTube and far away from other online portals. I am here to give all my experience and exposure towards the complete practical step-by-step data analyst training program. Any further questions or clarifications on this 5 module 3 months course with 2 real-time projects and resume, please do reach me or my team. We are here to guide you step by step. Thank you so much and see you soon in my live classes. Before we wind up, just to make it clear, kindly get a print copy of my detailed course content. You see it on our website sqlschool.com, or you can reach us on WhatsApp or email and get the complete course content. Take a print copy of it. Go through it carefully. Let's set our expectations clearly and let's make sure we are joining with the right course and the right trainer to get the right support at the correct time. I am here to guide you step by step. See you soon in my actual live classes. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. All the very best.